Yeah, we can't approve you. Welcome back! 2.9% interest approved.
Okay, explain. I just applied for a phone plan and they told me I need a credit score? I'm 16! I don't even have a bank account!
They locked the tutorial.
What?
You know how in RPGs your character has hidden stats? Strength, intelligence, charisma?
Real life has one too. It's called a credit score. Range 300 to 850. And right now, yours is 0.
So I'm level 0?
Worse. You're invisible. The game doesn't know you exist yet.
How do I unlock it?
You take damage first. You borrow money. You prove you can pay it back.
Repeat for years. That's the grind.
Years? I need a phone plan now!
Then you need the glitch.
Here's what they don't tell you in the tutorial. You can piggyback off someone else's power level.
That sounds illegal.
It's literally a checkbox on a credit card form. It's called being an authorized user. If your parents add you as an authorized user on their card, even if you never touch it, their payment history copies to your file.
Wait, I can just steal their XP?
Borrow, and only if they're above 700 and they actually pay on time. They miss payments, you inherit the damage too.
So I need to audit my parents' finances before I let them add me.
Now you're thinking like a white hat.
You know it! Time to grind. Wait, so I get the card and then what? I just swipe it and vibe?
And that's how you get permabanned. Listen carefully. These are the only 3 rules that matter. Break them and your power level tanks. Never, and I mean never, manually pay your credit card. You will forget. You will be busy. You will think, I'll do it tomorrow.
But I have a good memory.
You have a human memory. 1 missed payment, minus 100 points. Instantly. Set up autopay the second you get the card. Minimum payment at least. Full balance if you can. The system doesn't care about your excuses.
Autopay. Got it. What else? Utility what now?
It's the percentage of your credit limit you're using. If your card has a $1,000 limit and you spend $900, that's 90% utilization. You look desperate. The algorithm sees that and thinks you're about to default. Keep it under 30%. Under 10% is even better.
So if I have a £1,000 limit, I should only spend £300 max.
Per month. Then pay it off. Repeat. It's a trust exercise, not a spending spree.
Skins?
New cards. People see a 0% APR for 12 months offer and apply for 5 cards in 1 week. Every application is a hard inquiry. That's a minus 5-point hit each. And opening a bunch of new accounts tanks your average account age. The system wants to see a long history, not you collecting cards like Pokemon.
But this one has a holographic finish.
No.
Okay, so autopay, low utilization, no random applications. I'm basically untouchable now, right?
You're forgetting the environmental hazards.
The what?
There are 3 other ways to get wrecked that nobody talks about. Let's say you get your first credit card at 18. At 22, you get a better card with rewards. So you close the old one because you're done with it. Bad move. That old card was aging like fine wine. Closing it drops your average account age and makes you look inexperienced.
So I'm supposed to just keep cards I don't use?
If they don't have an annual fee, yes. Stick them in a drawer. Use them once a year for a coffee. Let them exist. They're farming age for you passively.
That's the weirdest flex, but okay.
This one's dangerous. Someone asks you to co-sign a loan. Could be a friend, a partner, a family member. They say they just need help getting approved. The second you co-sign, their debt becomes your debt. If they miss a payment, your score drops. If they default, you're liable for the full amount.
What if it's someone I trust?
Banks don't trust them. That's why they need a co-signer. You're basically betting your entire power level on someone else's gameplay.
So never co-sign?
Not unless you're ready to tank damage for someone else's mistakes. And trust me, people get weird about money.
Collections?
Medical bills, parking tickets, old utility bills you forgot about. If you ignore them long enough, they go to a collections agency. Once that happens, it hits your credit report. Instant minus 100 to minus 150 points. And it stays there for 7 years.
7 years?
You could have a 780 score, ignore a £200 utility bill, and drop to 650 overnight. Move. If you get any bill you can't pay immediately, call them. Work out a payment plan. Do not let it go to collections. Ever.
But what if I just didn't know about the bill?
The system doesn't care. Set up alerts. Check your credit report once a year. It's free at annualcreditreport.com.
Wait, I can just see my score?
You can see your report. That's the full history, every account, every payment, every inquiry. Check it for errors. The system glitches.
So I debug my own credit file.
Welcome to adulthood. But here's the actual boss fight. The number isn't the goal. It's what the number unlocks. Let's say you're buying a $30,000 car. 5-year loan.
Wait, the same car costs $12,000 more?
That's the health drain. Interest is a per-turn penalty. The lower your power level, the more they extract every single month.
So the game is rigged.
The game is optimized for them, but you can exploit it back. Landlords check it, insurance companies check it, some jobs check it. Your power level follows you everywhere.
That's actually terrifying.
It's leverage. Build it now, use it later, or ignore it and pay premium pricing for the rest of your life.
Okay, but real talk. How long does it actually take to hit max level?
If you start at 18 with a secured card, auto-pay everything, keep utilization low, and don't do anything stupid, you can hit 750 by your early 20s, 800 plus by 25.
So the speedrun is authorized user before 18, real card at 18, auto-pay locked in, utilization under 30%, no random applications, keep old cards, never cosign, never ignore bills.
And check your report once a year for glitches in the system.
That's it? That's the whole meta?
That's the whole meta. Boring but undefeated. Follow it and you'll unlock easy mode for every major purchase in your life.
And if I don't follow it?
Then you're playing on nightmare difficulty. Permanently. Subscribe if you want to play adulthood on easy mode. Everyone else is paying full price.